As an aspiring product manager, you should become familiar with key documents that will assist you in effectively managing a product. The product roadmap, which serves as a high-level outline of the product's vision, goals, and strategy, is one of the most important documents. The purpose of this document is to communicate the product's direction and priorities to the development team, stakeholders, and other interested parties. Another important document is the Product Requirements document, which details the product's specific requirements and specifications. This document is used to communicate to the development team, stakeholders, and others what the product should do and how it should behave. Product managers must also use user stories and use cases. User stories are brief, simple descriptions of a feature or functionality from the end perspective, whereas use cases are detailed descriptions of how a user will interact with a product. Both are important tools in agile development because they are used to capture user requirements and needs. Furthermore, wireframes and mockups are visual representations of a product that are used to communicate a product's layout and design to the development team, stakeholders, and other relevant parties. An aspiring product manager should also be familiar with marketing materials such as product sheets, pitch decks, and case studies. These materials are used to publicize and promote the product. Furthermore, analytics tools such as user engagement, acquisition, and retention metrics can be used to assess the success of a product. Working with SQL is a recommended skill for in-depth knowledge. Finally, product managers rely heavily on customer feedback and surveys for information. Understanding how to collect and analyze customer feedback can aid in the product's improvement. As you mature and begin to exert real effort, you will notice that everything begins to flow more naturally.